mbadingol mbal konton na kote ke ka fale ko alla like sol nalla comment sol ka over appreciate le kal hakilo bulandi ka fale ko natale le kote ke alla programme bato bimu noyo stadu mu programme molti mi yalan ko nga walanne ka dinna stalla kana jandum amon koliya komin ka fale nyamin drong atul jiberlal atul minka like alka share alka comment alka nanyina fanan pejoto al subscribe wala bantul fanan makoyla ibajala ko nga jolom watu wat albe kala mo fololti mi yalan ko albe episode sotola obe ko la mbal tentula mbal jeyla ka fale ramadan karim ka fale drong kullu amin wantum bi khairi nga mabe nyinanna alama nga komi nga start ning bismillahir rahmanir rahim wala nyami nsa kumfaning alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin wala mbadingol natale le kote ke komi ka fale nyami noyo star kana janga mankoliya ala safi comment box ko no drong lafta karirella ay na ndol fanam banna kata ko kelale fo kari nying ay nano nying noyo stato kana jang amon kolya so kal tentu kal jay ka tandal la ko bi fanan mu programme wolti mi yalon ko abe kala programme nyontangolti insha Allah rabbi makura 1 year anniversary nga celebrate le be gambian kol be tentu lambe jayla ka foye ko alnumbara thank you so very much wulungo fana nga kere bunya nga di mollelen mimu na mother of the night yalon ko eno ala kata ko bekele wo programme bato mbate konton na bake and sister of the night mother of the night mu na mba malti yalon ko ka fale ami fabre atelong ambassador to Guinea Bissau at this time so mbate konton na bake mba jeyla bake ka fay ko inimbara thank you so very much na sister of the night fanam ba konton na bake mimmu madam Jaina Babati national president PPP mi anon ko ala katako bi kamankol be yajele so mbe dol tentula mbe jeyla bake mbe Omar Cissé fanan tentula mba jeyla bake mimmu Gambia Transport Union ila presidano mba tentula mba jeyla bake mbe kinkoli mba tentula mba jeyla atelong father of the night kata governor West Coast region mba te fanan tentula mba jeyla be jeliba kuyate na jalingara ba jeliba kuyate mba te fanan tentula mba jeyla yo tenturo fanan ni jeyro mba sindela Talib Ahmed Ben Soudala baring afana yala buluma fengol natile mba tentula mba jeyla Talib thank you so very much Alaji Kamara mimu brother of the night mbate fanan tentula mba jeyla be tenturo ni jeyro fanan sindila na mola mi yalon ko ate is a brother to Ross mimu Sam Fati thank you so very much be tentula mbe jeyla bake o be kola mbenna mo fanan tentula mi yalon ko ate is part of us mimu Aissatou Daboti mi yalon ko kabrin lungol sita kabringa lungo muta fo jannim bina mba fotala lungo to ate bala katakol beke kana pour ka lungo nyinje ay sa successful nyami alhamdulillah lungo nyi successful tala ay sa dago be kontonna be jayla bake ani bama ani Fatima dabo ani kadiwol bol be kontonna uncle amna jeri wol bol be kontonna uncle Alassane wol bol be kontonna bari fanan lungo muta bakele comme ka fala ñun ñami non drong tentoro ni jero mba sindela birkama kol bela anin especially nako nyoto nyambay mba sindele bela team kitabu mal jorongol soto to be honest bantaba movie production ngatul fanan jele ala katako ala barka bake thank you so very much Big Sam comedy thank you so very much Belgium kata JB comedy kata fo Daddy Boy wol be nata no jele mbal be tentula mbal jeyla ka fale ko mal joran soto thank you so very much nsa foko bi noyo star nga min kumandinang alkomi na at this time a jartale pour ayena comme ali afanya nyamin ko a nyanta kanale anda natale ning episode walanda fa kum faral fon balano ko tonya bi nga min invite a jartale nga invite bari mbeyalu nako fimo min bita kan at this time mim ifam bonditi ate mu leading characterity ji so mbal tentula mbal jeyla nta koku kela rek e mbaduna programme o konole ka fale ko alla like sol comment sol nka over appreciate le mbading eni mbara nie kontom bake nie tento fanan e inata no yo sta nyami nsa fo thank you so very much nsa kita fanan tento nga jay bari komin sural ka fa nyami lu yëngu lu ko yëngala ko ëpp doole bari ñaaje mi mbeba kering atalom min sulata la wato wat nin ko mandro keta rek aka silo walande so mbaten tula mbaje la bake nen team kitabu mol be tentula ke jay thank you so very much ini mbara nge konto
ini mbara bake makura nkontanta bake ila kuwa enjuso fa bake dam yena I don't even know how to express comment happiness when I am so delighted and so happy to be here today on Know Your Star.
Thank you. Thank you so very much. Mol hakilo bulandi bang bi makoro la guest muju monti itoni konton
ante tomu aliou leti aliou tarawale yes
aliou
tarawale
thank you so very much aliou tarawale ala taradula ba ndol
right now I'm steering Serakunda around Kembuji after Birkama Kembuji like ika Saturday Serakunda and steering world.
Serakunda ni steering world. That's very good. Quickly, Aliou, mol hakilo blandi fo Aliou atata school lebang fo dun namanta school fa tata majlis leto bang ila school career fo dun Aliou hani sayanga ba karangol labang ila school career demandim fo mo leje ba.
Yeah, nte English school focused wala bake. Nga start nung kabafita primary school because nursery school do ndamanta. But nga start kabafita primary school then from there ntata St. Peter's St. Peter's Junior and Technical Senior Secondary School. Ntata Gambia High. That is where ngana was sit world, ngana grade 12 sit world. But still now Nyandaka school dollar start that is yet a college that is yet to start maybe around April June that I will start that so that is where still I'm on education for the kind yeah
that's very good ala barka bake kal hakilo bulandi drong albe noyo stale jibe kan bi ngala stale nati non as Aliou ngamen nto programme kono abe gina fono la leno ikro tom tole comme Aliou la dindi ya yet still yake mun tole
hanisa dinno la mun do ndele wuluta dame o mu birkama misira wuluta wol ton kuluta wol ton fo say amam me bake kadoni sound Serakunda maybe now 3 or 4 years ngoke jel but ndenganna life bege birkama misira hanisa ndalta jela bake janati da dame
Serakunda ning very good dumalo Aliou la parents woldi
ante la parents mu Abu Tarawale aning Awasekan yeah
Abu Tarawale
and
Awasekan okay yet still coming sometimes kanyi nyini karo kele but comment box ko don mi jele ka fa ko no this connection blah 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 yele kanyi ka the relationship between your parents how is the relationship between your parents?
The bond between me and my parents, it is very, very, very strong. The whole school time now, Dad Lebavi sponsor come for saying, Alhamdulillah, my brother is taking over though. But Cabral primary school, for Kana junior school, and senior school, Bella starting. Not that was the one funding me, and he's a very good friend of mine. Yeah, talking about parents, one of my best friends in this world is my mom. My mbama kay mbawa muntir ma bal. Ni mi yente long ibalo na le mbama mi intene mbama be nyame. You know, intene mbama honey beef yeah, she's a very good close friend of mine. Na dalida ba kale. Ndeke taramba mala bungo kono le kafo kew buka si ba mala ran kan bal ka si ba ndenak ndemo si bal so de biga ndeke taramba ma yala fo around 12 yalo ne one, you know, for ila main bungo nyi fo bunda yalo ndebe boy sans le to la kodas ikela bunda soro not knowing ko mbe bungo nyi kono ji yeah I'm always with my mom. Yeah, my mom.
Thank you so very much. Then since I follow coming mom and dad, then mom is your best friend.
Eba kuwa critical ni kande wake. Eba kuwa critical de wake. Kara nangara so ko pa ma embeje.
Yeah. So is it that is mom is your best friend so far? Oh. Among them, who is your best friend?
Among them, it is critical to choose because though Nina mom like a kacha jamake, but my dad really teaches me how to be a man. Though mama she is a good teacher, na friend lam, but atakan unkamin karangate bulu is about life. Mfama unkamin karangobulu is about manhood, how to be a man, how to make a decision, how to make your decisions. So I take lectures from both of them. So it is hard for Kafogo.
Okay, so among them, I say among them, you have to choose. Among them, who is the best? Come, when in terms of friendship, closeness, you know, close to Jumala Baki.
Ha, Makura. Ika kumajini kaja. Critical the bagere. Yeah, I think I would have to say my mom. Yeah, even though my dad is a very good close friend of mine, because my dad 17 kids lesson. But he's a friend to everybody. Until our dad moment, he's very friendly. Yeah, he always laugh and joke with us. Until that is how we you know. Yeah, peace and harmony. Until our dad 3 wives lesson. But you will never come to our house, because not that he is a very good man. I'm hoping that's why. But though my ablang bamatare best friend, bambalal
no bola, no ball buka fia that so you know. So it's very rare, you know. No, it's my dad. Yeah, but dads are heroes, you know.
Yeah, my dad is a very good.
Yeah. Dads are always heroes, you know. Yeah, because they are always there for kids. You know?
No, so, even though your mother was carrying you for 9 months, your dad was taking care of you and your mom.
Exactly.
Yeah, at that time, you know.
Exactly.
That's our heroes. Yeah.
Thank you so very much. During, sometimes primary 1, you know, for grade 6, then you graduated from primary level, going to, you know, junior level. Aliu mu dindin sifalti, dindin kunjari ngolombang, you know, during ala primary level towards junior level. Imu dindin sifanyadli.
One thing in me that is stubbornness. Yeah, stubborn. Though I was young, I was not a bad student. I was an average student, but nka exam all pass no le, but kungoga over just kuno yeah, kungoga kajale. I always have that problem, you know, with students and teachers at times. But
exactly. Coming imu average student all day. Coming, are you a low learner or a fast learner?
I am a fast learner. But yeah, fengofana ni mamu da bulletin fulola. Iseke jaonya na diamokasi yeah. But thank God, I graduated with 4 credits, including English. Yeah, so
that's super.
I am trying to go to college in an insurance school. Yeah, probably next month or month after that.
That's very good. That's very good. Ngali amaile. Okay, yet still atuli aji daminto fali asafe pour ay nanang. Bare yankali ajale. I graduated with a very, good, how to call it, certificate. Because msawle fono. Because mo jamal graduate niye nyininka, if I feel like excluding English and Maths. I have credit on this and this and this, excluding Maths and English. You can understand. But at a form, English are dabijele. So, atuli aji damindo fali ato safe pour ay najang. Mo jamal kaje fundili. Ka foko mo furol do ne kata woro kamol entertain no one thing. So this is simple logic. Yalong comme in theater of in general. Most of people buka keno.
No.
Most of people buka keno.
Yeah, most of people buka keno la.
Yeah.
Ni when you block walaikum salam.
Aya ini bara.
Okay. Take it again.
Thank you. So abole nyama. Aliou. Mbina woto lay no ngaje paparle no ko mo le alon ko Aliou ala education aba kanne and still na wa kanne and kana fodari na akara college bo yes still abala do ko to le memo dramati so abole nyam so just ngana ko mo do manin tron during your school dates coming ka fala nyam drong no yo stalum albole jibe kan bi coming ka fala nyam star bi ngole natale in terms of education, in terms of acting, in terms of filming and editing, yalo mo to be honest you need to be universal yanda ka ko ni ke fon men ni fon fenje mi alon ko involved jele atara yano so abole nyama so Aliou comme rek benun dulal to mi alon ko after ite yalo nyaw ite sport mo munelti
growing up I liked football. Football was my sport. Sign nak my interest wala bake because neskeri look at that back but football was a very lovely game that I liked so much. Ka play num back ka follow num back. That was a time for Misra United, ila teamo, they call me coach. And I'm from Molkan Commando title because when I was little, nkabula gal normal. So you didn't kebaya. So since then, you didn't kebaya nkabula gal normal. Ni kata dulalto, ni kata electric ground. I'm always there. So at to a point that ninka say from gal ke la ball sol dinna wala ila ball dinna. Yala ninke samba suokono ila console because nka for feel the journal. So ibaja nda batana school rek fip nkam prepare kata feel then boys will enteraje and we have playing session kataraje so yala ngata ni coach yala after the training session ni mol sira I give them words of advice since I was little so no tatale no sing up to that was around primary school nko ken ngara for box bar for but I ngata resiri la official for box bar sa bili alon ko nko to malle nko to ma ke ba fo nga problem sa do because aga fo ke ko ndela ko ke li rek wala ke italiol after ni wal findi ni wal man se refa mbugal ka se yalende so what fitiri ni bute rol no ngol so no football la ko ta ba because ni dala trainer ni man diam buga sena so for mo be see then mo be diam then ni coach sol diam they give me the flow then nga diam nga gal advice what I see gal after that was my sport folk sign na Sam because coming out of a junior school, Mbama na schedule tied in the bagale from school, Dara, Alane, a tight to somebody run football. But sang for warga. Yeah, but football is my best sport.
Yeah. Football is nice. Yellow kid told me, come back for Yami, and for na konyo nga soro jere, fenke Cambiaso. Okay. Yeah, Dolby Jeremy Alanko. Some people are there. It will book a Lafi coming ka football general but they want to be just coaches they they involved in football but they can lafi coach so we have talent here talent so sifa baby jan ya lo nyawnya bijan so bole nyam so because yalo kids akostole for indina mang bula problème ko no comme dindia time ebula problème kono fo kana so kono fang aka kolé bulu fo wolne ne soto tale ba
Yes, because ndela that yala nga fo 11 kids le soto 17 kids sorry I wala soto but until there was no time in the other house coming yafoko fama dingol da mala beje there was always people me alon ko be kulu kan so not that yala ne taking care of those people with different ages me alon ko la egg gapo dol bi jaka suti jam fanyola le ka dol soto mil be 30 something dol be 5 dol be yala ne 10 ila egg gapo ka so he was a very strict man ndela that strict talent ndela that whatamo fitiro ni wo nde tara silokan is always a problem for me after ndagara filo so ninde tara filo nde buga se fanin diam so ni na da silokan e gagné berol da there was this you know there was this coming karano pour comme dibindira mulo den yakara ya fay ko so adam singal lo kile nga tambino bari
so da yakara
ya fay ko ma but so iko kele full confidence na dengem metambi but there are bad days always there are bad days
exactly
so lugo dol bije ngatalo ke karne ngana fo ngatamba ninko metambi lala because I couldn't say jamo on singo baby no aka molle kumandi ndela dar ka karawaso akelele now I tell my younger brothers atul ya enjoy they do anything ndela dar buga kulli paroge sa but what time debbo si fal kele kallele after ndedin yata ma faranka fat kele juso jaran ba after nga coming konyo gandal gal sila because mo jama ka ko ma ni John Cena la kamulo yeah so yalo dindi ata mo ne mo kilim fula bude mo be ka sila so ndela konyo ndela territory nak I was in control because the misira ani kaba feda na boy so if you go there right now ye nyini ga ni mille dindi yake jo they will tell you because dindi ata mo hani ko ni ko hani talenteno ni ko ni ndu naje ikajumama John Cena so everybody mo be kam joyele nobody want to fight me because ikaja ko be hey ni mo John Cena de nga mol budele so fight tol ngadu wokono na mom ata ka bulo problem si because what bole roka na
exactly
yeah we see pal na
so do you still remember that the kids that coming primary school level in kids on min katano do you still remember them
yeah I do remember them. Way back in primary school, my best friend was Bakeba. Yeah, we were the closest friends. Bakeba Dambele. We started from grade 1. Grade 1 to grade 9 in the Nyokan because primary school ngake Nyokan. Then there was this Arabic school that we went to. There was around grade 5. I telephone then the second term. Ndenata taje nyabo kafo ada kabafita jere we were the first batches but kabrim that was grade 6 lendon taje then the following year multa St. Peter's so what time ngata je morning then afternoon ngata school but St. Peter's ka jamba so ngata disturb nata boje that guy was one of my best friends in primary school and still now he's my G I'm me back from Nabenda he's a G and also Molamin Kante that guy is my best friend. He's my best friend. Kabrin Dindia Wato, Mendanyolo, Kulurango. We did a lot of things together. I know Kabako in Itirma, Albugadian Almankere, Dolmo phone, because it was just once fat sort of me play le bunda don ka wonse lanyo kan tende atamo so we are fighting like ngaya ba ma bunda la kal na kini gande do mo atende tarabolo kundale okay I enter Borokunda. Abama is a very good woman. Jariatu Kamara. That woman is my mom. Like the whole family. Hani Sanzante. Nindara Misira. Nkala Telea. My best friend on he's my world best friend. Malamin Kande. Niente long you know him. And if you know him, you know me. Yeah. Ataka hanya atara to a point that come ni kirata la friend eka ken defan friend
exactly
in the friendship our bond is more than just friendship we are like family we can do anything to each other we can say anything to each other we can go anywhere with each other mbuka thing hide no but still hani say mental ñu come back but we cannot hide anything from each other we are always best friends.
That's good. That's good. So sometimes yalong hani ka bi me dindiya wato ko hani say me dinde oldi but e ka jure sono men fo o tay mo lay doyata nyindi okay coming yalon salibol ka kele tala bon wol ka kele you know konyo fon kon konyo to kafol ka kejele comme dinding kafol for your experience
all experience le because salibo wota mon comme mola min kane natal ka danum bak nga start no before ni mala fo kande fo nga ndogoma na sister Lisa natala gapo man jamfa bake
okay
natal katanu salibola anisa and there is this man Bilal abe marché kono ka marché kono but na mulje na nja anytime akan nyininga ngo mune dako wale Lisa because natal katanu ni salibola but later on ni mula min kabri yalo kabrin ke ba kere fo kabrin kumol dara fa sando yalla nde sepe ni musol bu gana ko ke so ni bola gake ni mula min kandala kata natal kata fenkol to tali bonding yolu ka pare manek because that guy also he is a comedian Malawi is a comedian so ataka ñu pare manen lo kusi fal nga dunno to le yalla ne ñaaral be mu eta da nga fa ñaari le fam Allahu rabbi la ilaha jaba ba ku jul kajal ba marasin kadiyale ngoma atela so ndola tala bodi ndol ko la so mol kam follow because ni ndol follow you get people ndol mbe daw da rek mol ka over siale salibo fanan tol la kata salibo nak mu ka mo sen no because yala ni mo sen ko do buga siya so natal kata jama natal kata.
That's good. Coming to primary school to junior kata senior school because there are things that student abuka baiji coming yela fi mola ibuka leba approach nyal nyaming leta safo ina leta safe moy
hey makura era kuba baja do la ilala
ina leta safe moy la
ga jebula leta safe was history
ngana boy do zolale Lamin Sonko atele nyanta kamol na dino Lamin Sonko ate ota o yaran tulla ate leta nyanta ka bon tulla ka foto ate ka
sabe ay leta sabe dole bari leta sabe yes or no I've received those more received in the way back in primary school
okay
primary school
so mola sabe
Molia saving nga saving molia. In primary school.
No.
Yeah, because
no primary school life.
After the para ka safero ken modo le because yala be that average say because in my primary school mala I never stepped out of 5. Yeah, I think no. It was 4th, 2nd, 3rd, 5th. Yeah. I think grade 3 the mal from 5th sorry. Kababa do 1st, 2nd, 3rd. So at times people will need my help nka safero ke yalen but dol bije no nga ko do te bulo ko le apa boy do lo bisira apa mbele security la yeah ngal le reserve do ate am ko do na because model bije e buka feature pour ga diam tepe do
no
yeah so they will some people will come to me pour ngema ko because there was this beautiful girl mola class me and content adult so people I will collect money from them so kuwal kata nya make ko do dino nya bonde jama buka diam
exactly yeah so mbariol ko ka fara ja do no yo staff be wolto bidung ngam bale soto jang ye ngam bale soto jang memo aluti tarawale ata easy la nala ni episode avec quel episode nyon tangol atul mbe jibero alfon alone fi mo le bitaka mi alanko e fambondi kamra bi monde anin toste le every episode kanana so minimum subscribe follow jato janote hara ko team comedy team kitabo di comedian altale subscribe ye because nyim fimo aka bori woldo wolon I fambonditi so altale subscribe ye because fimo lo mialon ko ala kol be hitrim bakele fang ba bakele Aliou namra you are not yet married.
No, mam fudu fudu. Musode bule.
Musode bule.
No.
Aliou ko musota bule.
No.
So Aliou, are you dating?
Right now, no, I'm not dating. I'm a single guy.
Ibeji be kan.
It's a fire na gadi la guy. I'm a single guy.
Ibeji be kan de. Budni pidire tare karawas gala haji tiji.
No.
Aliou kare aba single.
Yeah.
Are you so ko be single?
I'm single and not searching. Yeah.
That's very good. So I can't single lady.
Yeah.
So problem tala. So Aliou, in life, sometimes life is topsy. Sometimes you go through something, me alonko, aka kolea bakele. For you, see far sutalabang. Coming, do you have stories, me alonko, sometimes ka sata fang, aka kolea bulde. Do you have them?
Yeah, I have stories like you are saying, but then asato buka kolembulo.
Thank you.
Abuka malu because what I was doing was I think the hardest in my life because my family also we are middle class though we are not rich but we are earning. My father was taking care of us alhamdulillah and so mbama kanung soda dada okay. Yeah, since before I was born I start yeah so since then I think around grade 3 or grade 4 and started doing a business on so that and aka city then ntaka mako abe lanka dedale nga mix nga adeda na fenkera nga korokoro nga city nga ta wa finyola so nga then there was a time no moto solo ka kolambul so nga tamale kabo misira Bekama mesera fo bafuloto yeah nkatam but mostly nkana wo time on kamoto sodolo but lately kabring cool business start ga guro ba family start ga sia so nka fon ko ma yata dandang al londi silo kam because bafuloto motol faari ngol kata so nte ngata gara soto ngamoto ta den nate na so that is how I was doing ndingo kele kabin na grade 3 for Njira school up to grade 12 but at some point yalla na ngata fu ko saite then I will be the only one going to the market and nga supply okay it was every Sunday han be from bina kan janning na mer ndindola bendan ya mbana fi atamu na merolti no bafulo na kidano I had very good customers me alonko After Kenny tema family thing people like Hadi there no Dabo yeah I had very good people in Buffalo. Me uncle Ninkombe for that. They told Banafola. But yeah, that was the business I was doing with my mom. I helped my mom for graduate. I was never ashamed of it. I can every time. Mbenu still a lot kunda, but every weekend nkabala kunda langana birka majang. Because na senior school Gambia High was far from home, so stayed a lot of kuna. But ngabala kunda langana so kono ngamba ma ko enka saf no nya samba. Yalla nga awa fire then nana. I think that was the hardest. Yeah.
So do you have any story coming near Mirala at this time? Coming, you feel comfortable and happy. I
think that would be that story because helping my mom cool. As I said, my mother being my best friend. Yeah, so exactly. Aka makamole lavande ando aka arjana nino lengde aka because yalla hani kurano fo ya fala comme alal wulul albert so albama
exactly
yeah and that is the best that's my best verse in Quran but my mom nimba mako ga abuka gende fe ko mi like mbagni ke kan mbamaluring wala mbake kan just mal but when I do it freely, open-minded. This is the story, When I always, think about it, I feel like, yeah, I'm good. I love my mom and I love helping her. So I'm not going to work over content.
Very good. Very good. Thank you so very much. Madingol coming ka fale ñun ñamen rom no yo stalom bi nga aliou le invite jang coming ka fale ñamen rom aliou ngana programme wala improper bari mun ye safero ke pour yenana ye jet bilal wala ne ko ye safero ke pour yenana bada kuma telephone ya long aliou jarta ni daminto la ani sain dinnolom bara katakol min ke fobia fotata daminto a jartale jiber lal fana wolong mune inspire kadun theater
theater I think I would say Kitabu Fati was the one who inspired me. Though I started theater at a very early age, Kabirina Primary School, Esture Kabafira School, he knows me. Atal ba mol coordinate kanu drama nga primary kabrin den nga start ka drama ke I went to junior school nga drama funding kitabo mitta and he is the guy that inspired me to do more.
So that was when did you start
with Kitabu?
With Kitabu.
Kitabu I started at grade 9 grade 9 grade 9 in Kitabu mitta we met on the street like this Come I was, St. Peter's Nindol Jita because of Live Dano. Ngatama Kabo St. Peter's Nkata NTC. NTC Nkata Live Dano. So there was this day Adam Barrow was passing and traffic blocked. Traffic jammed. So Mano Tema Jen Dolba Tamaka no world because one wheel bitaka. So Dolba Tamaka world I was there with my friends. I can remember I was with Bakari Jeta, yes. Ibrahim Barrow and Aisha, these girls, I forget her surname, Aisha Mbala, but I know you know it. Aisha, Aisha Condola, not need to live in Siloka, and we were chatting yelling. So I saw Kitabu. That was my first time of seeing Kitabu Fati face to face, So I was so surprised. I'm drive car. So so the accents I was making him laugh, he saw something in me though. So I am commanding. Ata fonga fangela still akata buko ke koma mo commanding ka fe na number. But he called me akunyoko na number then ngala number ta. Kabringa kitabla number ta then tada suko I told my mom I can remember back then I was having Itel A14. You can imagine how slow it was. Kabri janenda ko upon foga kirabla number fongata. I relate it. Morobin and Kijawala because ni be sugar ngal tamu minala slowness o be kana.
Exactly.
So ndanga malawol nyama jenda kana pass ko do bondi fonga kirabla number ta kula mamme. But eventually nara number ta then aninde diam da anina mom diam.
Okay.
So what time will another start kata rehearsal? No like mamme because kabunga rehearsal, but rehearsal kono reka mamme mbulata sunkaro kono. Then sunkaro we started. I think that was around 2016, 17.
2016, 17. But 2016, 17. Okay. Working with Kitabu, coming Nambal Tata, F15 Tata, rehearsal start. Ela episode follow. Remember that still? Yeah.
I can still remember. That was Sunkaro Karanta. Then it was in Team Kitabu. Then Team Kitabu was not founded. It was I acted for Fandema.
Fandema, exactly. Yeah.
Fandema Multimedia.
Okay.
Kitabu in December. Because what time will the hazard became so Tata Nkabe can Kitabu. Yeah, I can still remember my first episode. It was. I was a child. They called me Sedina in that movie. My father was Korka. I forgot my mother's name though. But my first episode was with my mom. She was doing about Diamo which were not appropriate, so I was advising her. Yeah, that was my first episode. I can't remember.
So coming down 2016, first half of 2025. Yalong. It's how many years now? It roughly, is it 10 years or more than that?
10 years.
or 9 years?
Then I must have made a mistake because maybe I spent around 5 years. As I can remember. Yeah, because I don't think 2016. No. It wasn't there was a mistake because I can remember 2016 and 45. I can still remember those pictures. No, it wasn't then. Because Team Grab, I spent like 5 years. Five or
Exactly.
6 years now.
Exactly.
Yeah. It wasn't then. Maybe around 2019, 2020.
2020. Exactly.
2019, 2020.
2020.
Yeah, that was a mistake.
The COVID time. Yeah, exactly. COVID time.
COVID time.
Exactly. What time? So, which one in time tema? Safa komi Sanjilulu. Musa haimoko Sanjilulu.
Yeah.
You know. So, ila first episode kada for down for ila second episode for in kitabu fongo coming fandema botaji say kitabu in proper yes sinol men sotoje yewol be fenkala comme sin folol mi yalon ko yewol sotoje
in Team Kitabu. Yeah, I can remember them. The first fengo in Team Kitabu ngame soto Ofana, it was a Ramadan movie. After that Ramadan, I think it was the following Ramadan. Yeah, the following Ramadan nga scene nga episode also. Wo nga kitabla tara sireng aning lamin jimbo. Wo shooting. Nga tara sire ba kajala den nga nying mani kumo fo e katana komi fende nata imamo ya pugata. Yeah, I can remember that was my first episode. Since Team Kitabu was founded, that was my first episode with Team Kitabu. Yeah, and there's this thing that I forgot to say about not first episode of Jana Fandema. When they casted me, because I was in it with my mom. So ma explained na daddy. So I started to a point that before you can get screen or you ninka. You can go any ila parents so like I'm going to go nimba ma diam dara, but see it's okay. You can get farmer don't go no not enough. So Kirau that didn't sit right with him. So I could find my daddy diamo. Then he called my dad. My dad gave him a big hard time, you know. Daddy hard time. The dad contacted. After at that point, I felt so disappointed, because my dad I was already going to show up, on the screen, and they called my dad. He's telling them, "Hey, abuka taje, because my dad education abuka fair one. Even way back, tell him about school, he will give you. So education is something that he was highlighting. Then they made him understand that because here is a school itself.
Definitely, yeah, so, of course.
So that was how in I could manage for another song Galma. Then he let me act. Yeah, that was the challenge because that education is his problem. I have a sister Ibn Mariama Tarawale. I can find this scene so long
okay.
But niya dala talbuka siano because I can have school Monday to Friday. So ndabuga batuno. So it's very rare for me shooting on weekends and maybe leave over no time on Kasambano I see dan but because not that is not that guy.
Very good. Very good. Recently nga fimo jele mi alon ko ifombandilon coming from jang. Mi alon ko you are the leading character ifombondi. Because fimo lo mi alon ko ngamra fimo dama ato dama yate ya describe.
Yeah.
Comme min nyenta katraji. Working with Kitabu for 5 good years, coming to this years, I take a leading character. How does it goes with you?
Yeah, at first I didn't really know why Kitabu chose me because he's an open person. Intena dalita bakere then Kitabu over dalita le. So mbija kunyako na film wala safi. Okay. But at first, I just said, okay. I didn't know why Kitabu chose me. You know, it gave me time, you know, Kamira Nwakuala. I couldn't find the answer at that time. Malong me at I choose no. But always when he's talking, I can't for the not a few more safe. I can't learn na few more safe. The right person comes to him straight. At a calendar who member the plus of Fanola. So yeah, he said that the first time I found the I just kept quiet for start to come Tim Kitabu from coming Kitabu female safe. Ali will be the main character. Yeah, now time long the phone starter car from Bama. So yeah, because Mafu Mojama for cabin film. Hannes from Hanaka bring us with Mafu Mojama coming the main character because yeah, don't forget. So, but when we went into acting, when we reached Sarepate, that is the place we acted. If I'm Bondi, the people were very good. Sarepate Molo. Ha, Ibogab Manika come for, but Ika Muele, Ala Barakawake, they were very good people and welcoming Yalan. Wolu and in Konkunding, that is where we stayed. We stayed in Konkunding and we acted at Sarepate. Manjam for back in So, but when we reach, like, when I shoot my scenes, when I stand in front of camera and I'm acting, like, the emotions, they were real. Exactly. It wasn't like I was faking it. It was real. I was angry deep down in me. Ning kamfa findita, nka kamfa, ning kontano findita, nka konta, like, when I'm acting, I feel that jail funga ngajako na isturu Kirab had his reasons of choosing me. Because when I'm not I said I go agency no so the ibeta drawing you have a bam ten. So the rest is in your hands. So the way nka portray nyame
exactly.
Sino fangona I feel ne dega Kitabu has choose the right person. Yeah. After phone for Mkataraja can Mbappe among Canada Marca enjoy. Afon Catarafocan call. But when I don't know,
no, hold on to That's very good. Because few more of me alonko, you know, at this time now model la nyajuel from Jolonkan. Yeah, few more of me alonko, to be honest. Ete jiberla mi alonko, iman subscribe flow. Team Kitabu the comedians tie subscribe you because fimolo mi alonko every Monday lom and Thursday lan akafinti so alta ale subscribe ale na ale nyim fimo njibe. Okay, coming to the name because name ying aka reflect le always and denkilo fonto coming nimel ka fimo njibe denkilo fonto name ying from exactly name ying ka reflect je bakele you know. So coming toning, you know, how do you work with the name Yiramba?
Yeah, because you know when Kitabu gave me the character of Yiramba, he told me at first I couldn't. It was hard for me to. At first, it was hard for me purka toning kramno because so he told me your name is Yiramba. Not record audio, but the character of Yiramba is somebody yala me alonko. Atatambira ndela. Yiramba is way more than me. So to keep up to that, you know, it's not easy because. Malum kumpani dia fobe nyadil dama bulba fobe bara wonyodo so yalla giving me that character yalla it was challenging though but yalla I dealt with it alhamdulillah because yalla ning toning I embrace it kabrin Kitabu kunko ita to mi Yiramba so ninda be fimo kono I don't see Aliu in acting. I see Yiramba. I see somebody me alonko akungo fanuta bakel. Hanatar alukungo manfan. But Yiramba is a character that you know he's a very very big character and he is somebody me alonko I longo ke bake sare mul jikita la bake. So that is why Yiramba ko yalana. Baka easy though but alhamdulillah I dealt with it. Yiramba kai he's a very nice character. I wish I could be him though.
No, definitely. I need to form in KGB. ntol sometimes ka emotional le definitely coming ni yiramba fon fintita character dol ka fintita but ni yiramba fon fintita coming fimo kam to ko aka falim mulin kele fo sate fo dinkel kata fo sate musol dol ka fo ko mbato ngatam fan karafa yirambala ko ngoje fimo kono le no mbang ata fa di musolo ba ko ka ko hey ya nyamindo de
aga fan karafa
kata fo karafa yirambala so mu ba expect ko fimo nyi nyato ku jamal lebe nyato yiramba you know kujama lewa fudur yiramba kono because yalo yiramba mo molati mi ko do dindingolem bare dinno mi made ay longo ke bagale ando ay kebal buñale because imala relationship with Numo exactly
he had a very good relationship with Numo mi alanko sate alpha sate mo kendo londo but more value back
exactly
because a single mutatale but Yiramba didn't see him because I can find the mentambita Numola or Simuto Damal and he's a character me alongo Tinyaro Mandia so wala na kindendin na mul ibe dawda Yiramba always interfere out of nowhere ninkindendin ñol bela ko la itolkatu Yiramba jara Yiramba mo character di ala cool nak abe mol gena surprise la because ala kulbe tambila nyinda mate nyin safe wurol no siba Yiramba ala kulbe tambila
that's very good
bi
model yeah exactly
bi Yiramba la bimbe drop like you just all go and watch it albaja la Yiramba be mingala bi
exactly you are right so coming ka fale nyamen drong no yo stalom bi nga Yiramba le natale say Aliou Bota jere bi nga Yiramba le natale so fimolo mi yalanko niatra ko imaji be follow ite memban jibe kan ta team kitabu di comedian you subscribe every Monday and Thursday like a fintindi so fimolo mi yalanko is very interesting fimolo so alta ale subscribe you know pour alka fimo nyen jibe you know Yiramba what is your favorite food?
My favorite food
comme benekino lombam fo nyankata lombam fo memba
makura nte bu chop salty that is a problem so nte near for abela ka diende the only thing I don't like is kucha bol ka biya ba ka nte ka kabrin dinde ma remember ngado so kucha ka do not disturb me because nte no kunyata kirabu golo fo mole agonde an ebeni sukuro ni adinde la mbado mo dolal because nte I can eat anything. I don't have a favorite food. I like food is life. I like food, but I don't have a choice.
That's good. Mbari will come in ka fala nyam ndrong. Ngamera natak programme la kum fadulale baring yimu episode de melon ko comme nga fala nu nyam ndrong. Ino ni nga start fa kum fadula balo nako tonya ngami invite a jartale pour nga invite nang you know working with Kitabu for 5 good years ni be Kitabu describe la nyadi
Bakura I think if ning ayatara no Shakespeare bija I think he would find another word to give to Kitabu because Kitabu is somebody me alango he has ala character nyim fonga is to a point that nte bukalo mbe me follow ya because one he is a leader two akungo teri abatele akungo Kitabu kungo kana mimbije like can you imagine a movie going on with a movie for 2 or 3 years me alonko ima script ima fensafe hani ni ifam bondi ndol tata nyin la fon nata nobody was given a single paper moti jemi alonko e scribble diale ko nyine a read follow janni bita
janni grass on stage
kabrin dol fodara nyin can you imagine such a big movie like ifam bondi kabrin dol fodara mo student kala for like 3 or 4 days lundo lo ngaja be sira aka fa fayego ha alko ndela buko nte nga safero fonkela kabrin nata jam mam buko e that and we were shooting for 5 good days akata mala buko akata mam kabrana da mar redil fonka comme amaji be fon since juma wala be keka wala man takeka he was just doing it off head Kitabu somewhere me anko ala ya so bache okay voice in him ala ya so and he is a true definition of a leader I nyaton kaya no bakere manat nan ka nyaton ka anole comme iko nka nyanta kula tekitije so kitabu ala timo kono ako do tamanino je bakel you know anda manke moti mi anko agridita in kitabu mu moti mi anko a hadumeta num den num hani nyin tamakul ni wo kusifal he would always be ahead hani in every film la he would want to be you know the main of the main character in the movie but
exactly.
Kirab is somebody me anko he is not biased and I come acting this is my friend, this is my brother, this is my sister. At a momo yeminno akeke no wall.
Very good.
That is why when you look at Tim Kitabu's movie, mobe ka go, hey, billahi, alla kari ala partner, no atola je for mobe ala partner because min keta momo ye damenno Kitabu keke no wall. You know, that is something like one thing for me, science and thing. Ni yente ke nyambila plaso. Nde sa fight nyaw I cannot reach nyam.
No. Yeah.
But niata fana kente la place abe difficult la prata fana ya keep up with me
exactly
because na character man clear so kitabu ko be define no moto de and yalo ne kitabu he is a very good person me anko ala in humanity fo ngani multi mola aka dan ke je ba kele kitabu mo kendo ndena na maji kitabu ya King Kitabu I kuma jawo from mama. I cannot remember him beating somebody from. Mbukaji.
Listen.
Amanke director de mi alanko nima hey ka wumul ka wasival no Kitabu doesn't do that. Kitabu doesn't do that. Abuka mol batandi abuka no he's one of a kind. Kitabu kai alhamdulillah. Mo kende balam because yalla no momi nde I cannot be more nte ma jora ngosoro because Kitabu picked me up from the street and they jetted me yalla nak ko nana nga do go and still I'm working with him and Kitabu nana ma tan tele comme go hey ado man tangeta bondi silo Kitabu kan demu ka fon because atata to a point that kiskis phone tata deng
you see
yeah na dental bari mbari ndong la buka so ninga mbari ndong always na ke so ka wolde wala ka keda problem won
okay
ninga ko mbari ndong ne ka fuga hey ni man da hani fenna yeah but Alan
it's true man
he is a very good person kende wala
to jala kay thank you so very much Jiramba what's your last word mba commencer la da men beta follow fo tentula mbeje la because mbe Kitabu fati tentula mbaje la ato ka nta nse tentuno jam fo next year nta nte jo soto nola Kitabu you are a very good person and ita fanan what you are doing ibe along comme atol mu banku doku lalle yeah because kamol sindino suokono kamol fatandino ñi modern film jibe la mi la ko abeka ke ñi nasti ko le mi ango bi itata sino la ini dingo ya jibe no wala ini la broda ya jibe no bari ntola film mol fintata dawda wala atolla video fintata youtube to dawda mol casino le with your whole family albe casino le ali ya jibe mona wote because alka dino ni adole soje alka muslima yala tambindi je atol be mu banko lokula mbangole thank you so much and the whole Gambia everybody that is viewing momo bentol jibe kanyin tembedal mbafole ko alnimbara katun niaje nyim video katano niaje tol bi ibafala ko makura wala ibafala ko yiramba nyim molla sabu atol kan jibe silo youtube odate ala baraka bake mbal tentula mbal jeyla na fansol be dawda mbal tentula mbal jeyla Tim Kitabu fansol be dawda mbal tentula mbal jeyla yiramba fansol be dawda mbal tentula mbal jeyla ndekay mam feso do be fala fo contano dal because yalla ndena na ma expect ko mo fotana janna film though when I was starting movie ndeba ke kan like just for fun I was pleasing me but ndena na ma expect ko min ko mo fotala silo kan ne fo mul ka stop lankata dulal to mo bega findinan they come to see me hey jumalendi ndem nana mo si wa expect so wala atna hani bi ngam fanja kono mbuka afenkeno comme mbuga lof ka amuta kubati dal so ngaje comme yalla na nyinkay nyimmol mil kan celebrate
wol len take nyenti so at a second now I will never turn my back on them. Wherever you see me, if you call me ni ade me dankura kota lonko mamoyle yalende. So I cannot be more grateful to them. I told them katala balle to jiber lal mbafulal be ala baraka. You know, be na family kontona. My mom and my dad, they are supporting me every time. They are watching my videos. You know, commenting. They always cheer me up at home. Na brother soul, my family, everybody. Is supporting me. My friends, not senior school friends, so I didn't get to talk about them, but they were very good friends, Science and then every time they will be asking like my episodes, and when they drop in people like Yusuf Bayo, Mustafa Jallo, Mohamed Gando. But I have a lot of friends, they are very good friends of mine.
Thank you so very much. Iko ala dindin name for me John Cena.
John Cena, yeah.
Alfredo John Cena la John Cena. Sa tamila John Cena ya sa Yiramba.
Sa Yiramba
sa Yiramba be kering.
Sa mama Yiramba wa.
Yiramba. Kala Yiramba ba kula. Sa bula nyawa. So thank you so very much Yiramba.
Thank you so much.
Nge tentu nge jayi ka fe ko inimbara. Thank you so very much. Ka kitab tentu ka jayi kana cameraman tentu malang fanamu director team but tentu lamba jayra bake with the whole team Bantaba movie production be tentu la ke jay ka fale ko ala barka bake bi nga nyene sotale Yiramba live in Noyo Star ala barka. Thank you so very much. Thank you.